Hey, our mateys, grilling time again. This time, Hawaiian style steak, at least my version of it. And we're gonna use, I'll show you what we're gonna use in a minute. We're gonna accompany that with a pineapple rice and just a plain mixed vegetable. Here's how we do it. Well, we're gonna start by marinating our steak, and I just marinated it in the same container that I bought it in. But I want you to notice here, see how nice and thick that is? That's because we're going to be cutting it on a 45-degree angle. It's almost like a flank steak, but this happens to be a top sirloin. And I marinated it for several hours. And what we did for the marinade is kind of make a teriyaki sauce. Half a cup of soy sauce, a couple tablespoons of vinegar, some brown sugar, ginger, and black pepper. Now you notice there's no salt in this. That's because the soy sauce is the salt. And I mentioned we're going to do a pineapple rice. So this is fresh pineapple that I cut up. And then for our rice, I did a video earlier on rice, how I like to do it, and I'll put a link in the bottom here for you. You notice that you can kind of see there's long grain wild rice, there's white rice, jasmine rice, and brown rice. And all of these cook at a little different time, so we have a nice texture to this. And then the pineapple that goes on the steak, again, just fresh pineapple. We don't do anything with it. We just grill it. All right, mateys, so I'm out here at my favorite grilling spot, the Pavilion at North Point Marina. And as we've talked about in the past, make sure your grill is at least 400 degrees before you start cooking. We're at 400, so let's throw the meat on. I'm going to brown the pineapple ahead of time too. Now there's nothing special on the pineapple. It's just the straight pineapple. Clean it, grill it. This is all there is to it. Whoops. Really though, don't you wish your grocery stores had stopped using this stuff to put the meats in? I don't know what else they can use, but there's got to be a better way. Now I like this fairly rare, so it's not going to take long for this to cook. And then I'm going to spin the camera here, and you'll see I have our cutting board set up, and we're going to slice this on a really sharp angle, nice thin, so it's tender. So we use this base here so we don't get grease all over the tables. Okay, I changed my mind here a little bit, guys. On the pineapple, I am going to put a little bit of this juice. What the heck? And you see, all we want to do is just kind of get a nice grill marks on it. That's all we really need. And the steak, you don't want to be flipping and flopping. You know, it's like sleeping at night. How can you get a good night's sleep if you're flipping and flopping? You can't cook a good steak or hamburger if you're flipping and flopping it. Let it sit, let it cook a little bit. I'm going to say for this piece of meat here, we're going to be about 6 minutes on this side and maybe 5 to 8 minutes on the other side. We'll push on it and see. The way you tell how well it's done, see how that springs right up, or doesn't spring up. When it starts getting more cooked, that's going to pop right back up. That's how you tell how well done the steak is. All right, my friends, I think we are done. Let's put this on our carving board. We'll go over to the table and carve it up. So So now to make this a nice tender eat, we want to cut nice and thin pieces against the grain. Just like a flank steak would be. Oh, look at that. See how nice and rare that is yet? And you notice I didn't keep the marinade to put on this because that has the raw blood in it and we don't want to make anybody sick. And there we have it, guys. A beautiful meal and a beautiful view from North Point Marina. Until next time, happy and safe boating to you, your family, and friends. Bon appetit.